So basically what I'm going to be doing is generating ARQC quickly and putting it into X2 2021, the new software that just came out. So first, we're going to need a dynamic number for the application label by using the cardholder's name and BP tools. So I go over what all of these terms mean on BP tools and what exactly they are, like in the EMV information. So if you want to look at that, you can. Like the numbers that I'm putting in right now and what I'm going to be putting in all of the BP tools. So, now we need to take this dynamic number and put it into the application label twice with the cardholder's first letter of their last name and the first letter of their first name. Alright, now we can go to and generate the main ARQCs. So we're gonna fucking put all these numbers in again. Now this is the first half of ARQC1. Again, I go through this more in detail and what all of these numbers mean later and what exactly I'm doing. Well, I mean, not later, but in the other videos. So if you want to look at that, you can. Alright, now this is the second half of ARQC1. We can put that in now. We are going to use ARQC1 to generate ARQC2 now from the ICC data and the session key. Now this is ARQC2. And now we can generate ARQC3. This should already be here. Perfect. We just need the session key from earlier. And this is ARQC3. So now we can put this in all for X2 2020 and write the card. So that's what I'm going to be doing right here. USD. I gotta be capital. Country code 1 for America, and then the application label that we got from BP tools. This is another thing I like about BP tools because it gives you the application label that you can put into X2, so you don't need any other softwares for it. So we're gonna take the cardholder's name from track 1 information, and we're going to take the track 2. And this should modify correctly now that we have all ARQCs in. Alright, good shit. So now I'm going to show you that the card actually wrote by analyzing the EMV information. And I'm also going to be, I'll just show you everything right here. So here's the software package that I use. Oh, I just fucking read. And here's my account. If you want BP tools, here's the download for it. But yeah, that's basically where I'm gonna end this video. If you need any help with anything at all, let me know. Yeah, which you should have skimmed from your GSM skimmer or your deep insert skimmer, which skims EMV information. So if you have EMV information skimmed, you should have this. Basically just top symmetric key in a EMV hierarchy. Pan sequence is first 16 digits of the number, of course. ATC info is basically whatever the ATM captures right when you're there. So some ATMs ask for zip, all of them ask for PIN, so just put your PIN in there. Unpredictable number is basically just random number given to every specific card. Doesn't matter anything on the info of the card holder. It's completely random. And it should generate properly once you have the correct random number. Alright, now what we need to do is go to EMV 4.2 and complete this generation with the session key we just got. So we're just gonna start this UDK and generate the first KCV, which is the first half of the first ARQC1. So you see KCV, this bottom info down here. All right, now we copy the session key, master key, and the ATC, as everybody knows. Now this will give you the second half of the KCV number, and this is what you will use to put into your ARQC1, and this is also what you put in the ICC data. Remember to put your session key at the top, / master key. Copy the KCV info together. Make sure you put KCV1 before KCV2. It is very important. You can see me doing that now. And the second. Alright, now that we have both of our KCV, I'm going to copy it and put it into ICC data because it's going to help us generate the AC number. As you can see now. Remember, always have your method as 2, so it is EMV encoded with extra padding. Now we have the AC number. We're going to use this AC ARQC2 to now generate our ARQC3, which is the AAC. Now you can see the ARQC is already there. We didn't even have to put it in. So all we're going to have to do is put in the session key. That will happen every time. If you do this correctly, it will already be there. You don't even have to put the ARQC in. Now we have our ARPC/AAC, which has been generated. And that's our last ARQC. If you would like any more tutorials, please let me know. If you need GSM skimmers, pin pad skimmers, all of that, let me know.